and Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I run my code for LabCom, Computer Organization Architecture. So for now, question 1. As you can see here, these are my data for question 1. And here are my code. So now it says succeeded. So I'll step over because as we can see here, move EDX offset hex1, which means move the address of hex1 right into the register EDX. Next line, it will write the string, which is enter a site value for hexagon 1, and it will read the integer. So I will input the integer, which is 5, and then proceed next. Here, move EDX offset hex2, which means it will address the hex2 into the register and will write the string and read the input. And the input for site value for hexagon 2 is 4. It will loop the sites. Keep on looping. The number of registers is keep on changing. You can see here the number of EAX keeps on increasing when it loops. Here, it called write decimal. It will display the value of EAX. And it also called clear F, which add a new line. It's the same process. And yes, we will get the total parameter of both hexagon as 54. It's 54 here. And here is the output. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm going to explain how I run my code for question 2, LabCom. So as you can see, here are the data for this code. So the first line is call clear string. So it will clear the console. Next line, move EDX offset str1, which means here it will move the address of string 1 into the register EDX. The register of EDX. It changes the value. And then next, call write string, call read decimal. So it will input the decimal from the user, the 32-bit unsigned number, which is 7 with this question. And then next, it will move the multiplicand from the user into user. Then next, it will input from the user into multiplier. So also 7 multiplier. can see here, it called the multiplication, right? Decimal. Then it write the string. Here, it moved the value from the multiplier to EAX so that it can be shown in the decimal. And then it write the decimal, ECX multiplied. The number of multiplier the number of EAX and ECX register keeps on changing, as you can see in the watch. And then it loops. As you can see, the number of EAX keeps on increasing while the number of ECX keeps on decreasing. So now, okay, so here is the final answer, which is we got the product is 49. Okay, for the multiplier 7 and multiplicand 7, we got the product 49. So here is the output. So here is the output for this question. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now I'll be explaining on how I got to run my code for question 3. So first, I declare my string using byte. Each character in this are arranged in an array of bytes. 0 is compulsory to put, as it functions as a null character to terminate it. So now when I run, the first one is move EDX offset string 1, which means it will move the address of string 1 into the register EDX. Write string is to display the variable of string 1, and call read integer is to input the data from the keyboard for hello. So now it's going to read the integer for second integer, is 65. Next. The third integer, which is 77. The value is keep on changing here in EAX. Watch, you can see that now. The value of the fourth integer, which is 89. Value of the fifth integer. Next, the value will loop here. It will keep on looping. It will add the value of EDI into the EAX register. And here, it will add the EDI register address by 8. And loop to L1 again. We'll write the decimal and call Control F. Yes, here's the final answer, which is it caused the total odd, which is 123, and total even is 208. This is the final output that we get from this coding. Here's the answer: total 1, total 2. And yes, we're done.